Okay, in this video I'm going to talk about matrix. What is called matrix? So we see matrix. Matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers or given information. The information which you have, that we are going to represent in terms of rectangular form. And how it is, like, suppose this is some information which you have written inside in terms of rectangular format. This is 2, 3, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. Okay, now this is matrix I have written over here inside the rectangle. Inside the rectangular bracket you need to write. Okay, and this part is called row. So the row is always represented by capital letter R1, R2, and these are the vertical lines are called column, always represented by C1 and C2. Okay, now what is the order of this matrix? I need to write the order, and order always written over here. Okay, so first I need to give the place to the row and the multiplication sign, then I need to give the place to the column. How many numbers of columns are there? So how many number of rows are there? This is 1 row, this is 2 row, so 2. And this column, how many 2 column are there? 2 by 2. So this matrix is 2 by 2 order. This matrix order is 2 by 2. 2 rows. First always represent the number of rows, and second always represent the number of columns. Okay, so this and matrix always represented by the capital letter. So in alphabet you can see any letter from A to Z, and the inner value which you have represented, that is represented by a small letter. Like suppose this is first row and corresponding to first column. So this order will be first row, first column. Now this one order, this is first row and second column. So first row, second column. This is second row, first column. So the order of this element is going to be 2, 1. Now this is second row, second column. So this is 2 by 2. If I say find out A11, what is A11? Means first row and first column. Intersecting point will be your answer, the first row. When you draw this first row and first column, so where it is intersecting this, and at this place what is the value? So 2. A11 is 2. Now if I say find out A22, so the second row we need to go parallel to second row and second column. So where the lines are intersecting, that value is, so that value is 5. So like that the internal elements are always represented by small letter, and whole matrix is represented by capital letter. Now we move on some operation, how the operation could be done. If suppose two matrices are given, like suppose this is one matrix is given 1, 2, this is 3, this is 4, and the another matrix is given 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, these are the two matrices are given. So what is the order of this matrix? There are 2 rows, R1, R2, this C1 and C2. So this matrix order is 2 by 2. What is the order of this matrix? This matrix have 2 rows. This is R1, this is R2, this is C1, C2 and C3. So 2 by 3. This matrix has 2 rows and 3 columns. Now one more. If suppose this matrix is given 4, 5, 6, 1, 3, 2, 1, 9. Suppose this matrix is given. So what is the order of this matrix? This matrix order is, how many rows are there? 2 rows, 1, 2, and columns 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 2 by 4. This matrix order is 2 by 4. Okay, now suppose the matrix is given 1, 0, 1, 9. What is the order of this matrix? In this matrix you can see one row. How many column? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1 by 4. So this matrix order is 1 row and 4 column. Now suppose this is matrix is given 1, 3, 9. So how many rows are there? This is 1 row, this is second row, this is third row, and how many columns are there? 1. Rows are 1, 2 and 3. Whenever you are writing the order, always the number of rows should be written first. So 3 rows are there and 1 column. So this is the order of this matrix. Now we move to the order. We see some operation over here. First we see addition. When the two matrices could be added. Two matrices could be added if and only if their order is same. If order is same. If the order of the two matrices are same, then those two matrices could be added, otherwise not. Like suppose for example A is given 1, 3, 5 and 6, and another matrix B is given 5, 6, 9, 2. Okay, now the question is you need to find A plus B. So the two matrices I need to add. So before to add, what I need to do, I need to write the order over here. This is one row, second row, this is, so this matrix order is going to be 2 by 2. Now this matrix order is also 2 by 2. So if the order is same, then we can add the matrix, otherwise not. So I am going to add. When you add, okay, this element and over here this element will get added, corresponding element, because this is also A11 and this is also A11. So the same position element will be getting added. This is 1, 2, this is also 1, 2, so 5 plus 9. Similar with this second row first element, this is also second row first element will get added. Here 6 and 2, so 6 plus 2. When you add it, is going to become 6, 9, 14 and 8. Added. Now suppose for example is given A equals to matrix is given 1, 0 and 9, and the B is given 1 and 0. Okay, now this matrix order is what? This is one row, column C1, C2 and C3, 1 by 3. This is one row, 2 column, so 1 row and 2 column. Now I need to add A plus B. When you need to do A plus B, A plus B is possible over here? No, because this matrix order is 1 by 3 and this matrix order is 1 by 2. If the order is not same, where is getting difference? Difference is coming. This is having 3 column and this is having 2 column. So this matrix addition is not possible. Not possible. So what we understood? We understood the matrix could be added if they are of same order. Otherwise they could not be added. Okay, now second is subtraction. Subtraction is also like the addition. If two matrices are of same order, could be subtracted, otherwise not. Like suppose if it is given A equals to 2, 9, 1, 7, and this is the B matrix is given 2, 7, 8 and 10. Okay, now I need to find out A minus B, means from A matrix I need to subtract the B matrix. So this matrix order I am going to write over here. This is 2 by 2 matrix and this is also 2 by 2 matrix. Now I need to find A minus B. So from I need to subtract from A numbers, I need to subtract the B number. So first is 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2. Now second 1 minus 8, so 1 minus 8. Now this is 9 minus 7 and this is 7 minus 10. 0, this is minus 7. This is 2 and this is negative 3 has come. This is 0, this is negative 7, this is 2, this is negative 3. So this is the answer. So the addition also is like subtraction is also the same way as we do the addition. Okay, so in the next video we see some more operations like the multiplication of a matrix by some element. We see how it could be done. Thank you.